everyone, I'm Emily from Libolon. Libolon is an international brand name for this fork company, and then this is our journey milestone. With over 45 years of experience, Libolon is a vertically integrated textile manufacturer with headquarters in Taiwan. Libolon is capable to produce both woven and knit fabric from recycled raw material by utilizing green energy to create sustainable fabric outcome. By 2017, we extend our business side to Indonesia, and now we have become one of the major woven suppliers to the country. For the next part, I will hand over to Kevin.
Hi, I'm Kelvin. From outdoor to safety workwear, Libolon offers a wide range of fabrics to meet our customers' diverse requirements. So, what kind of benefit can be derived from our safety workwear? First, we provide enough flexibilities and mobilities to enable our wearers to move freely and comfortable. Instead of using spandex for stretch, we use Reflex. What is Reflex? Reflex is a natural elastic yarn through natural assembling process. It is monocomponent and recyclable. So, we are not only provide stretch for comfortables, we also make contributions to the environment. Second, our high visibility fabrics enables the wearers to be seen from a distance. This high visibility fabrics is also available in recycled solution dye versions, Re-Ecoya. In Re-Ecoya, the color master batch is added to the polymer since beginning of the process. Therefore, the color durable is much more longer compared to piece dyes. Moreover, after years of usage, against the rainstorms, the color and shapes will still remain same even after multiple washes. Third, we provide optimal protective such as anti-UV, protect against the sun and waterproofings while maintaining the breathabilities. We customize the level of protective according to different industrial needs. Also, we can make it in combinations of multifunctionals. Fourth, our workwear fabrics is also designed to withstand frequent use and rough handling without easily tearing. High durability always refer to more safety, cost saving, and sustainable. Hey Emily, what kind of sustainable options can we provide?
Libolon has 3 advanced recycled products. First, Repet, which is from recycled PET bottle. Second, Polyplus, which is from the industrial waste. And third, CRZ from the textile waste. Every second, there's a huge amount of textile waste that is either thrown into the landfill and burned or being resold into developing countries. To address this issue, Libolon presents its new garment recycling technology, the CRZ. The closed-loop recycling zero-waste system allows the garment waste to regain the second life cycle through the closed-loop system. Once the garment waste is collected, the decolorization process is being done within our in-house. With mechanical recycling instead of chemical, less chemical is used during the process. After cross and reproduce as chips become a new material of yarn. Once again, new cycle begin. Audited by GRS and Oikotex, our product is traceable, durable, and achieve excellent performance while maintaining the competitive price.
In general, Libolon fabrics ensure the safety, comfort, and productivity of workers for various industries.
Libolon provides high quality, protective, functional, and sustainability. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. Libolon, see you next time!